Fix Instagram story bad video quality after upload. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the quality of the video or photos you upload on Instagram as a post or story. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open the settings and privacy on Instagram and scroll below until you see data uses. There you will see two options: use less data and media upload quality. All you need to do is turn off the data saver mode and click on upload at higher quality. What will happen is after you turn off the data saver mode, even if you are using Instagram by mobile data, your photo quality will not decrease. And when you enable the upload at highest quality, it will keep the quality of the photo you upload on Instagram higher. And that's all. Those were the settings you had to maintain from Instagram. Other we have is to go to settings of our phone device and maintain the picture quality of our camera application. So go to apps and under system app setting, you need to search for camera. After you click on it, you will see picture quality, set it to high, and also video encoder, set both to highest feature, and that's all. You are set to fix the Instagram bad story quality after upload. Those were the easy steps you had to follow to fix the bad quality of Instagram photo or video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.